special recipe for a special day, the day of love. But isn't every day a right day to show your love, your appreciation, your care to people that you love? For Valentine's Day, I personally choose to cook a nice meal, something special that I don't cook often or I've never tried before to the people I love. For me, it is my family. I read once that love has the power to make you travel to the other side of the planet. I didn't know back then that this would happen to me. I did. I traveled. Celebrating love on every occasion is the best you can do. No one will remember you for your secret thoughts. Say what you want to say today. Some people choose Valentine's Day to get pretty roses, chocolates, or gifts to their loved ones. I choose to cook something special that I don't cook often or I've never tried before. This year I made this red beet, heart-shaped ravioli recipe with feta, ricotta, thyme, and parmesan stuffing, served with basil pesto, garlic butter sauce, and crumbled feta cheese. It came out so delicious, so I decided to share it with you. Maybe your loved ones will love it too. The recipe is simple. Flour, eggs, a bit of salt, and a beet, scrambled, cleaned, and trimmed. I am using my machine to knead the dough. This color is so beautiful, don't you think? When the ravioli dough is ready, I cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Did you know that Cupid was originally the Greek god Eros? Eros, the Greek god of love, passion, and desire. He is often depicted as a handsome man with wings who carries a bow and arrow and has the power to make people fall in love by striking them with his arrow. Let's work with a beautiful dough now. I'm separating it into 2 to 4 pieces. I'm covering the pieces that I will work with later so they won't dry. Now the fun part, rolling my pin and shaping the dough. using the pasta maker until the last scale of it to make the dough as thin as possible. Now the ravioli stuffing, I use a mix of ricotta, feta and parmesan cheese with fresh ground pepper and thyme. Add a small quantity with a spoon on the half of the dough. Smells very good. That's perfect. My little girl came to check the process. The second half of the dough I'm going to use to cover the stuffed one. I'm pressing it lightly and using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, I'm making the ravioli. Pressing lightly the edges of it and making sure that the stuffing will stay inside. water, ravioli need just 2 to 3 minutes to be ready. I like to serve them with a basil pesto, garlic butter sauce, and the leftovers from the cheese stuffing, and fresh thyme and ground pepper. Find all my recipes at greekandsimple.com or click at the link on the description below. Please subscribe to my channel and help me grow and make more videos for you. Here's the Today Did You Know that is back to stay. Did you know that ravioli holds a Guinness World Record? The largest ravioli weighed just over 175 pounds, almost 79.3 kilos. Now you're ready to set a nice table and enjoy this amazing meal. Happy Valentine's Day!